video is a dedication to GirlBurps for rating me second best belch on YouTube.
Oh shit, almost got it. That was good. So yeah, I'm going to belch. I'm not using anything to do with Coke or Pepsi. I'm only drinking water. Because I've got a really bad sore throat. I'm sick, yes, but who gives? Yeah. And as you can see, this is a video dedication to GirlBurps for rating me second best belcher on YouTube. So I'm saying my thanks by belching. Thank you. Oh shit. Wow, I just found out a new belching technique. Yes. I'm a tiger, hear me roar.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P.
Oh, that's all I can do from that. I'm going to try a long wimpy burp.
Oh my god, no way. Hey, yo, Captain Jack.
Man, those are long. Wow. I've gotten a lot better. Wow.
Can it swing from a web? No, we can't.
Pig. Oh shit, Oh my god, did you hear that? My stomach gurgled. Oh, that was so cool.
Spider pig, spider pig, does whatever a spider pig does.
Okay, I'm stopping this video for now. Like I said at the beginning, this is a dedication video to GirlBurps for ranking me the second best belcher on YouTube. And I say thanks very much. I'm going to post the video if you people wish to watch it. I'm going to post the video in the video description, and you can watch it from there. And yeah, and that's about it. Sorry, I'm playing with this. It's nothing, but yeah. Anyways, talk to you all later. Bye bye, and thanks again, GirlBurps. You rock.